Wow, very good. Both of you are the one to do this one? Huh? Wow, thank you very much.
Sophie, you can go. Hey, what?
Oh, yeah.
My
Look at
brown.
that. Oh, they're making together. Oh, wow, sharing.
But be careful with clothes.
Be careful. Be careful. What's that? Your pajama. Pajama ba yan? Oh, si Sophia. Oh.
First to wash it, then you'll get another.
Nah, it's okay. Never mind. We just use the wipes.
What Mama told Mama?
Sophia, Mama of Sophia, 6:15 they go home na. Kasi tomorrow is school. 6:15, okay?
6:15.
Yeah. And now, what time is it now, Judy? What time now? 6 o'clock? 5 o'clock?
We're going to make 6.
Ah, okay. Almost 6 na. Okay. Yeah, just enjoy only. Just enjoy. Okay. Yeah. Very good together, man. Because si Sophia not always come at home na. You are busy, Sophia? Why you are not coming here?
Because she is busy at home.
She is busy study for the school, and it's school days also. And if weekend, she go to Jiddu, to go Tita, to go out also. Oh, now, it's very good. You stay together and to play. Even Ellen, she is tired now. She going to go back, to go up. Okay, it's okay. Ellen is always come here. O, kumusta? Kumusta na ikaw, Sisi? Si mabuti. Ikaw, Sophie.
Ganda halato.
Si Sisi, halato.
You speak Filipino language.
Rico.
Sisi.
Pangit. Sinong pangit, Sisi? Sisi. Who's pangit?
Judy.
Judy is pangit.
It's funny.
Angli. Angli. Ay, ka.
Sophie.
Beautiful, maganda. Okay? Anak ko si Sophia.
Sophie and Sisi.
Buti pa si Judy. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Shout out to all subscribers of mine. A million of thanks to everyone that you are watching to my video. I wish
Guys, I want to turn around the picture.
some of them
I
that you are
want to
watching,
watch
you can
and-
subscribe also to me.
Once and then I make a new one.
Yeah, okay. Yeah lang. You must do that. I wish you subscribe. Sabay pang ganun. I'm just lambing. I'm only lambing to those
You have YouTube's
channel. Yeah. Yeah, I have. That's why I'm making you a video. You didn't notice? If we meet together, I make a video and I send it. I make download already.
people are watching me.
Yeah. So, that's wax. No, it's just a dirty Celine. Okay, bye-bye. And now, Judy, she subscribe of my channel now. Yay! Thank you and thank you again. Good night, Baghdad. Good night, Iraq. I don't know from the other countries. Good morning, good afternoon. Magandang tanghali po. Or madaling araw sa umaga. And bye-bye. God bless us all. Be happy. Be healthy. Exercise more. No need of diet na. Don't eat too much hard food at night. Heavy food at night. Okay? Just slight dinner already, or salad, fruits like that one, or sandwich. Because it's easy to sleep that your stomach is not too much full of food. Judy, you like this, Judy? Go bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Aray ko si Judy.